Let's grab our bowl. So we are going to prepare pancake mix. It's from Don Cube and everything is already in the Don Cube pancake mix. It said just add water. So behind it we have the preparation guide, recommended egg usage, then directions. Then we have the expiry date, batch number and manufacture date or something like that. Yes. Oh, I wanted to show it to you, but it's not coming clear. So let's get into what we have in the box. We have a peg, and this is my first time seeing a product coming along with a peg, so that when you cut the edge, you tie it up and hold it firmly with a peg. So this is what's in the package. Let's cut this part. It's time for cut. Cut this part. So I try to bring out the air in it, then let's see the quantity we have. Oh, okay, so this is the quantity. So let's check the ingredients. We have flour, sugar, powdered milk, mixed spices. That's what is in the package. The ingredients mixed. Okay. Am I trying to let this thing focus and it's not coming as expected? Okay, let's move. So let's pour everything into the mixing bowl. Trying to let you know I've poured everything out. So this is the egg. I used 3 eggs to make this. So it's just to blend mix everything using a mixer. You can even beat it to get what you want. So I didn't add water, but now I added water to it so that I will get the smooth texture I want. The smooth and oh, this thing smells so nice. It has a nice smell, nice scent. This is the texture I had, and it's so nice, smooth, not so thick. So let's pour it into a waffle maker machine. We won't, I didn't want to use the frying pan. I just wanted to use the waffle maker machine, and this is my first time of doing it this way. Okay, so we've closed it up. Let's wait and get what we want. Can you see the steam or the vapor rising up? Oh, okay, so it's getting brown, but I want it to be a little more brown than this. It smells nice. Make sure before you touch the what's the name, the machine, with your hand or any object, make sure you off it from the socket or unplug it or something, or else you might experience some shock. So as we are waiting, let me read out some of the things they said we should do on that's written on the box. So they said when you want to use half of the Don Cube pancake mix, you have to pour it into a mixing bowl. Add 1 egg and 250 milliliters of water and mix continuously. Stir to thicken. Okay, so scoop Don Cube pancake mix as recommended. How you want it. Tablespoon size. Pour it into a mixing bowl. Add water or milk to achieve better thickness, light or thick, and mix continuously. Heat a pancake on heat a frying pan, whether non-stick or any of your preferred choice, on a stove. Then pour a teaspoon full of oil and turn oil in the pan to cover all areas. Make sure the oil is at every corner, every part of the bowl, the pan. Scoop 1 ladle full of the mix into the pan. Turn the pancake after 1 minute. Do not now the mixed pancake is ready. So that's what they said, but we are using the waffle maker. So let's wait for the waffle maker to do justice. This is what we are getting, but I want more than this. So because I didn't fill everything to the brim, I think that's why there is some holes in it. So I'll try to do the correction. I'll fill everything up fine so that the black things popping up won't be seen. So let's apply some margarine or butter into our fill. Then we pour some of the mixture into it. Then we close it and wait for everything to cook fast. So this is what I've been waiting for all this while. I have it now. So I did some mashed cake with milk this morning, so I'm going to enjoy with my pancake. This is all I have for you. Love you all. Like, subscribe, share to your friends to also subscribe. Bye.